for coming by. Our application is actually called Open Eval, and essentially what we did is in our first semester we got together with the Office of Academic Effectiveness in order to kind of identify an issue with CIOS. Are you familiar with CIOS?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so you know it's like the survey that's given out at the end of the semester for students to give feedback.
Right.
There's an issue with that because students aren't really inclined to give candid feedback at that point.
Right.
We have a lot of different finals going on, and we're not really trying to fill out an entire CIOS form. It doesn't affect us that much, right? So what we identified and a fix for that is we tried to introduce a midterm survey. This midterm survey is going to allow students to give feedback during the actual semester and allow teachers to redirect their course to kind of better educate the students as well as just create a better experience for everyone involved. So we created both an iOS application as well as a web application to try to disseminate this information. And Mitchell can actually walk you through the iOS application at a high level.
So the iOS application, so the student can see all the courses that they're signed up for, or registered for at the moment. They can see all the surveys that are available. They can see when they're available, and the professor would set that date themselves.
Okay.
They can also click on the survey and fill it out, and the professor will be able to see all the feedback. Yeah, that's pretty much the iOS application from a student perspective at a high level. And David's going to talk about the professor portion.
All right.
Yeah, so when a professor logs in, this is what they'll see. It's basically just a list of all the courses that they're registered for, that they're teaching.
Uh-huh.
So when they click on one of their classes, they'll be taken to a list of the active surveys that they have. If they want to make a new survey, just click this button and a little form pops up. There's no option for questions because we just use a set of default questions from our clients. And if they click on one of the active surveys, they can see all of the responses that have trickled in so far from all their students.
Awesome. So with this application, so I'm assuming is this connected to the CIOS or like a GOTTEC database or something? So like, how can I log into this as a student?
So right now it's actually just kind of our own custom backend due to a lot of security issues.
Right.
But once we hand off the project to Georgia Tech, they will then kind of plug in all their information and all their authentication. So thank you so much for stopping by.
Yeah, definitely. Awesome job, guys.